Ever wondered why your business isn't showing up on the first page of Google search results? It could be due to NAP inconsistency. NAP stands for name, address, phone number. It's vital that this information is not only correct but also consistent in format across all platforms. So NAP consistency is crucial in determining your online visibility. But why does it matter so much? Consider this. If Google finds inconsistent NAP data, it may get confused, and this can affect your search ranking negatively. Inconsistencies can throw search engines off track, affecting your visibility and leading to lost business opportunities. It's crucial for local SEO too. Therefore, maintaining NAP consistency is an essential aspect of your SEO strategy. Now, maintaining NAP consistency across numerous platforms can be a daunting task. But don't worry, Authority Solutions is here to help. Our team ensures accurate, consistent data across all platforms, boosting your SEO. Don't let inconsistent NAP data hinder your online success. Contact Authority Solutions today and give your SEO a boost. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.